Hello friend, this is Tracy. Nice to meet you again. Today I have a good big news. We, Zhanjiang Weida Machinery, have launched a new equipment, the robot arms, which is used to move the dry rubber faster and easily. His efficiency is fully maxed out. Today I must recommend this magic tool to you, which has three fine lines that are absolutely amazing. Firstly, the operation is super simple, which can save big time and high labor costs. So we do not need to worry about the difficulty in the employee workers and the high labor costs anymore. Secondly, precise positionally. The dry rubbers at a different position on the client collie and straight and stable. Thus, high efficiency, the robot arm can complete the entire process of the wrapping and stretching 500 kilo dry rubber within 3 minutes. Want to speed up the production and reduce the cost? Want to double the efficiency of your workshop? This magic tool is the answer. Friends in need, please hurry up and pay attention. New robot arm from Zhanjiang Weida Machinery, you make your product faster. Thank you everyone. Today that's all. Bye.